Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by lining up prerequisites: save, the right world, and drop boosting abilities. Once ready, head directly to the map area where dark matter can appear. Do not wander. Make sure to set a nearby save point or use quick travel to reset encounters fast. While you travel, confirm your equipment increases drop chance and that you have healing items. Now position yourself at the spawn room entrance, stand ready, and trigger encounters purposefully to start the farming loop. Once done with setup, trigger the spawn repeatedly. Run in, provoke the room, and clear irrelevant enemies so dark matter, if present, is isolated. You want fast kills. Use your highest single target damage and finishers to reduce time per run. Make sure to use steal on the first opportunities if the enemy is stealable. This increases chances without relying on the drop. Also, use scan to verify enemy drop lists. Repeat the cycle, resetting to the save point between attempts to you finish runs by checking the item menu and inventory after each loot. Keep track of drop rates. If drops are rare, alternate your approach. Change the time of day where relevant, try a nearby area that shares spawns, or re-equip and test different drop boosting abilities. Once done, consolidate your haul. If nothing appears, reset the game or reload the save to clear any spawn bug. Then rerun the loop and, if necessary, swap party members to influence spawn patterns.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.